Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you something exciting. Our habaneros. Let's see how they're doing. Yeah, as you can see how beautiful they're looking. Look at that growth. Look here. Oh, how beautiful they are. And look here. This one over here's got little flowers. So shortly we've got some nice habaneros. Hard work pays off. We always have to remember habaneros are not easy to grow. They're quite finicky and temperamental. But what they lack in the world to grow, they have in the burn. Let's remember that habaneros don't play games when it comes down to burning. And here at Solomou Farms we make the best 100% habanero chili sauce. Look how gorgeous these trees are looking. Look how bogged up our passages are from all the rain we've had. Look there, it's all muddy. And look how dry and protected our habaneros are. No rainwater damage whatsoever. Look there, compared to there. Again, I emphasize beds are best, as proven facts. This was completely flooded. As you can see, our unplanted beds, not one single one of them are flooded. So good preparation is key to successful crops.
Okay guys, you can see our first little 2 habaneros coming out here. As I say, habaneros very difficult to grow. You've seen the challenges we've had with them, with insects attacking them. But now you can see the leaves, they're all beautiful. They're not attacked by leaves. And the first 2 plants have come out. We've got a lot of flowering habaneros. So shortly we will have our habaneros blossoming on there as well. And we'll see how they turn yellow to orange habaneros. But as I say, all healthy, beautiful plants. No insects attacking it, and the first fruits are already coming out. Here's another little guy you can see here. You can see this leaf is still from the old leaves that it was attacked, but we managed to sort that out with a mixture of oil and a little bit of vinegar and sunlight and a bit of pepper that helped us sort this out. So yeah, beautiful, nice habaneros flourishing. And all these bushes have come out wonderful. And you must understand something. These habaneros were planted at the same time as our serrano chilies. Our serrano chilies have already produced 2nd and 3rd harvests. This is still on its way to its first harvest. So your habanero chili is a very hard grow. It's very, very hard to grow the habanero. But we've been fortunate. It's in the greenhouse. It's protected. It's secure. And we've got lovely habanero that's come out of it. So yeah, this will make us a good little harvest here. I'm very happy with it.
16-week look at our habanero growth. Quite impressive. They have taken off. Quite a bit. As you can see, it looks like a little forest in here of habaneros now. As you can see, they're full of flowers and new growth. It won't be very long before we'll start harvesting. Look at our gorgeous fruit we have here. Another 2 weeks and they should be nice and orange.
Yeah, guys, come look at our habaneros, how beautiful they are. Look at these things forming out of flowers. Look at these 2 habaneros here, habaneros there. We've got habaneros all over forming. I'm very proud of this, and wonderful, wonderful. Guys, as I said to you, you can see what we've done here by planting them in raised beds. We've managed to keep them away from all elements. You can see from program 2 on making our flower beds, how we made these flower beds, how we filled them with compost and with other organic material, how we raised these flower beds and how we've planted, and it's been a win-win situation because we've raised these flower beds. That is available in our second program. In program number 2, you can see the raising of flower beds and the making of our flower beds. Then if you want to go back, you can go back to program 4. Program 4 was showing you how we planted these little guys from seedlings. I mean, when we put them in as seedlings, they were as big as this leaf. That's how big they were when we planted them from seedlings. They were this big. So this is what we've got out of them from, and you can see that from program 4. Also, to remember, guys, to get to these results, we put bone meal down at week 4. Week 4, we put bone meal, totally organic bone meal down at week 4. And then at week 8, we put guano compost. Also totally organic or guano compost. And that helped us. You can see how we, from program 2 and from program 4 on the planting, how we opened the holes, dampened them and dampened the holes and placed them inside there. And yes, we have got a beautiful result of these habaneros. All our chilies are doing well. All our growth is doing so well. We are so happy. We are so blessed. Thanks, guys. Little Chino's first feed. He hasn't eaten much in 2 days because his mommy dried out of milk. So his mommy hasn't had milk for 2 days. So he's actually been quite hungry. So we got him some nice wet puppy food. And he's having his first feed in 2 days. You can see how hungry he is. But he's so adorable. What an adorable little doggy. Hello, Chino. Hello, Chino. Look what a beautiful little doggy Chino is. What a beautiful doggy, Chino. What a beautiful doggy. Hello, Chino. Thank you to Rina, one of our local Endicott farmers who stays out here in Endicott, for giving us the doggy. Thank you so much, Rina. Appreciate it. I'm sure we'll look after him and he's in a happy home. He's a bit too young still. He's only 4 weeks old. So he's going to have a little bit of a bumpy ride to get through. But we have to, because, as I say, his mom has got no more milk. So we have to look after him and try and get him all the way. We've got him nice dog food to carry on with. We've already got him deworming injections. So we'll give him his first inoculations as well, his first injections. Probably by tomorrow, let him just eat and rest and get healthy for today. And tomorrow we'll give him his injections. So welcome to our family, Chino. All he wants to do is sleep. He's just eaten and stomach's full, eyes closed. Huh? In Afrikaans there's a saying that goes, maag vol, oog is toe. Maag is vol, oog is toe. And that's the typical little Chino now. Maag is vol, oog is toe.
So hello, Jack and little Chino are going to meet for the first time. Hello.
Thank you so much to all our subscribers. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all the likes. What gives me great inspiration on this channel is I've heard so many people come back to me and send me photos of their harvests, of what they have achieved of their land. And what's inspired them, a lot of people have told me, is this channel has inspired them to start planting, to start growing. And I know of so many people that are sending me such good results because of the inspiration that they've received from this channel. And that inspiration helps me to carry on doing what I'm doing, because I know people are benefiting out of it, and that just gives me joy to know people are benefiting, and I'm teaching people the ropes, whereas when I started off, I knew nothing. And as I said from my introduction, I've got 20 years of experience, and I've lost a lot of money doing all this because I didn't know anything, and I learned the ropes the hard way. And yet I've been able to coach people who've managed to skip out a lot of mistakes along the way and just come out and have their own things going and their own crops going and harvesting their own land, and organic as well. And especially with organic, guys, you know, it's an important step for us. So yeah, we're happy, and all I can say is thank you so much, guys. Thank you for everything you do for us. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your patronage. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up, guys. The views and the thumbs up really help our ratings with YouTube. So please, guys, give us a thumbs up. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching.